Democrats marking the January 6th anniversary by rolling out new voting rights legislations here in Minnesota. They say the Capitol attack spurred them to do it now that they've got control. Political reporter Theo Keith is there. Theo, what's in the bill?
Well, BC, Democrats say that misinformation has gotten worse in the past 2 years. Their proposal that they rolled out today includes a long list of priorities that they have tried and failed to get through during years of divided government. When then President Trump's supporters attacked the U.S. Capitol 2 years ago, a new class of Minnesota lawmakers had just been sworn in the day before. Now in their second term and with Democrats in control of the state capitol, these lawmakers want to strike early with sweeping changes to Minnesota's voting laws.
And we've seen in the last 2 years that the attacks on our democracy did not start, and they have not stopped since January 6th.
The Democrats' plan goes far beyond physical security. The DFL plan would restore voting rights for felons when they're released from prison, pre-register 16 and 17-year-olds to vote once they're 18, automatically register to vote anyone who has a driver's license or receives state benefits, and allow people to sign up once and vote by mail permanently. Democrats say they hope to get Republican buy-in, but they'll pass a bill over GOP objections if needed.
As much as we can have bipartisanship, that's fine, but we're not going to have that as a strict line.
Republicans called the proposals part of a hyper-partisan Democratic wish list. In recent years, with divided government, proposals had to have support from both parties to pass, and Republicans said the DFL should seek common ground. A spokeswoman for Governor Tim Walz says the governor supports the DFL's legislative priorities around voting law changes. Committee hearings are planned to start next week. BC.
All right, Theo, thank you.